Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie grow a garden. This innovative approach recycles kitchen scraps, turning them into valuable nutrients for your plants. You'll learn to create a powerful, organic fertilizer right from your kitchen, boosting your garden's health and growth. It's a simple, eco-friendly way to nourish your plants and reduce household waste, making your garden thrive. To begin, gather your fruit and vegetable scraps like banana peels, apple cores, and leafy green trimmings. It's best to avoid large amounts of citrus, onion, or garlic, as these can sometimes be too acidic for plants. Blend these scraps with a small amount of water until you have a smooth, thick mixture, similar to a regular smoothie. This creates a potent, organic liquid fertilizer. Once your smoothie mix is ready, dilute it with an equal amount of water. You can then gently pour this nutrient-rich liquid around the base of your plants, ensuring it reaches the root zone. Another effective method is to incorporate the thicker blend directly into your garden beds or compost pile, enriching the soil structure and microbial life. This provides a slow-release nutrient boost. Continue to water your garden regularly and apply your smoothie mix every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain consistent nutrient levels. You'll soon notice your plants exhibiting stronger growth, vibrant foliage, and potentially more abundant yields. This sustainable practice not only feeds your plants, but also builds healthier soil over time, fostering a thriving and productive garden ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.